Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid. One reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 miles per gallon rating. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.